fit today. We got some Kobe's here, and look at those color, very nice, huh? Like that color, love it. Very comfortable as well. But here's the issue that I'm going through right now. I haven't used this for like maybe I've tried twice or three times just to take photos or something like that. But if you can see right here, there is some kind of yellowing and the lace, not all of it but some part, just like that. So what do you think on that one? Is that normal? Can you please leave a comment down below? I would like to hear your thoughts regarding this one. And as you can see, I haven't that worn that much. There you go. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In the channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And what do you think on the outfit today? Well, can you rate my outfit today? Kind of yellow, huh? Well, celebration time, yep. But anyway, thank you for dropping by today. So what happened today and yesterday? It was so busy today. I mean, this week is kind of very busy. Yesterday we pick up those Jordan green, pick up a few, lucky with size 11 and a half women's, so might gonna convert to 10 or 10 and a half for men, and then few of those kids, so I'll take that one. But anyway, that is still a good pickup. Today I went on running. I was hoping I could do 10 miles, but then I almost forgot that Kobe 5 is going to drop today, and so I have to finish up what I'm doing. So I had to set up. Now I didn't got anything, like zero on Kobe take an L. So well, it happens. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Hey, but not lucky with the Kobe 5 and not lucky with those Zoom 1 High, Jordan 1 Zoom High Sisterhood. So else today. And tomorrow there's gonna be a good huge drop again. There will gonna be the Union. Wow, so too bad. I'll be working, so I'm gonna be a kind of limited access to that. Probably gonna have a 5 gadget. Try to cop those Union tomorrow. But today, so we are still doing the unboxing on the car. We have 4. You'll be surprised what we have in here. So let's do the unboxing. So first up, what do we got here? Wow, look at those color of the box. Ooh, check that out. It says Nike Fly letter in the box, and very lot of design. It says Ru Han Wang. So this one is the Nike Fly Blazer 77 QS. You can see right there. Retail and this one is 110. So basically I went on this particular size because it is Nike Blazer. So I was thinking that it's gonna go with women's, particularly women's, because size 8, I mean 9 and a half, then size 8 on men's. So let's pop that open. Whoop, 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 whoop. Wow, nice. Look at those packaging. Oof. Whoa, check out those design. Very colorful with those some kind of artistic design. And this one, check out the midsole letterings right there. Another one on this side, and not bad. But the main thing is it's just the plain blazer, not too much premium leather. But other than that, not bad for the color though. Okay, next one. Ooh, okay. Air Jordan 1 low, you can see right here. Nice and crispy, huh? Nice and crispy. Check that out. It is my size. My size, my size. If I'm not mistaken, this is the reverse band low. So since we can't afford to buy the highs, anyway, if you have money to buy those, then kudos to you. But for me, I would stick on this one. It doesn't matter if it's low, high, and mid. Wear what you want, wear what you can afford. So that's me. Okay, color of the Jordan 1 low and my size 9.5. Next one, vibrant of white and silver. Okay. Kevin Durant, take them out. Check that out. Check that out. Same what the designer of this one with the blazer, because of those colorful thing going on. So you can see there's some kind of peace and ball and smiley and love. Yep, you can see right there, a lot of going on this one. Katie, love, finger, ball, peace, smiley. You don't like smiley? But hey, like the color, if I could try this one, maybe I could use it. What is the size? Ooh, size 10.5. I'll try to list it up, but probably too much for me. Well, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Last pair. What we got? Another one. So during the drop on this one, it's kind of low-key drop, that not much having some kind of attention. Some designer is not that much popular or something. Ruhan Wang, Air Max 90 US. Retail is $190 and it's my size. This would be maybe. Wow. This one is much better. Nice and clean. Whoa, take that out. This much more better than the blazer. I know it is the same design, same designer, I should say. Not just like the KD, that too much going on. He's still a little bit kind of earthy thing, printing going on. Earthy thing, is that a word? So there's a globe right there, the earth, what else, a Chinese thing going here, the blue shoes. The only thing that I don't like it is the green thing here on this side, but other than that, it's not bad for the color. So the Air Max here, and the name of the designer, Rohan Wang. So the tongue, it comes with the different name. I mean, tongue comes with the Ruan tongue and the Air Max 90. So this could be some kind of good for the collection, probably, because I don't have Air Max in the collection yet. So maybe not. Let's see if I could resell them for a higher profit. Then I might gonna let it go. Then I'm gonna buy something that I could really wanted for very cheaper and below retail. It's just me. It's like I'm more like happier if I could get a pair of shoes that no one's really like it, and then I really like it, and also I got them for very cheap, and then that's how I like it. So what do you think on these 4 items what we have in here? Ruan Hang. So designer is Ruan Hang. Rohan Wang. Okay, so with that said, what do you think all of this pick up on Nike.com and the sneakers app? So just like what I've told you the other blog, that you need to sign up for the Nike.com membership, so you can have more of, there is a lot of benefit when you do that. So with that said, I hope you like this video and hope you like this unboxing on the car. If you really like this one, we're gonna do more on this in the car. If you want to, then we could do more. And with that said, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.